Look like this. Why does he always have this clothes?
Ano, bale, ganyan muna ang isuot nila. Tapos pag nandun na kami, isusuot ko ito. Diba, para formal. Yan. Tapos ito kay Cheyenne, may collar. Ay, yung ano, blazer. So, dalhin ko ganyan para hindi nila madumihan. Bale, itong lalaki, ganyan lang siya, t-shirt and pantalon kasi baka madumihan niya. So, iput mo na yung the shoes, white shoes. Yan. So, mag-shower ako guys. Kita-kits mamaya. Ready na itong dalawa.
Not ready yet.
Yet? Ito, ipuput na nga. Daddy is still sleeping. Gisingin ko mamaya after ako mag-shower. I don't know, maybe time dito is 8:30. Magna 9. So, we move 9:30, I think.
Is it far? It's big.
Yan eh. Yan. Good morning. Good morning, kapitbahay. On the way na kami sa ano guys, sa Baabda, kung saan kami magpa-renew ng passport, Philippine Embassy. Sana matapos ngayon para wala na kaming iisipin. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning. So, kita-kits ulit. Walang init. Andito na kami sa highway.
They will not let me enter.
I don't
Like
know.
last time, you will enter alone.
We'll see.
The kids. There was too much people there last
No,
time.
Mafi.
Nobody?
Only some 3, 2.
Very good. Now, if they need information, tell them my husband is outside. They don't let him in, so they can call me.
Lapit na kami. Andito na kami sa what this place ang Senapil? Yes?
هيدا هون صرنا end of سن الفيل جسر الباشا on the way to حزمية بعبدة.
Ayan, malapit na kami. Hasmiya Baabda. Hasmiya is a part of Baabda? Okay.
It's a town بس it's in the district of بعبدة.
Okay. Natatakot ako pag may ganyan guys, oh. Kasi alam nyo noon sa Philippines, nakita ko yung jeep na daganan ng ganyan, oh. Naalala ko sa Manila. Kaya natatakot ako pag may ganyan. Sabi ko kay Mister, overtake ka na. Natumba kasi guys yung doon sa Philippines. Kaya nakita ko, nakita ko. Wala, hindi siya mainit. Walang araw. Parang uulan. I think it will rain. Yan, yala. Katakot. Dumaan kami sa photocopy, andito na kami. So, yan, dami kong pinapotocopy. Kailangan kasi.
Okay.
Ako mag-vlog guys kasi bawal sa loob. Saan ka na naman? Dito. Nasaan na naman tayo? I think you enter here. No? I remember we entered small here. Dito na kami guys. Tapos aakyat kami. Marami kasing nagtanong, they're asking why they hide. So, basta doon sa may church, pasok kayo dito. Yan, ito na yung pataas na street. And then, liliko kami dyan. Yan, ito na yung Philippine Embassy. Yes. Ayan, dito na kami guys. Tapos na kami, andito pa rin kami sa labas ng embassy, pero bawal ipakita. Ay, ano na lang, ganito. Tapos na kami, yay, naka-passport na sila. So, mamaya magkwentuhan tayo. Andun na si daddy. Hindi nakapasok si daddy. Kami lang ang pumasok, guys. Thanks God, tapos na. At, nabunutan na ako ng, ano, yes, done. Thanks God.
What did I tell you?
Yee.
Gave us the same again.
Really? Who gave you?
Ay, sorry. Yes. Yan, itong entrance ng Philippine Embassy natin, guys.
Who gave you
Super
this? The
ganda.
consulate? Or
The one who works there.
what did they ask you?
They didn't ask us anything.
Really? They took
Ayan.
pictures?
Yeah.
Itong building
Nice
natin,
pictures?
guys.
Yeah.
Ganda.
Okay.
I make signature for Kian. Lano still like the siya yan, she make her own
They took his
signature.
foot, his
Yeah.
fingerprints.
Yeah.
Yeah. With the eyes.
All hand. The picture is in computer.
Mommy started pushing my thumb like when we were doing the 4 fingers.
Wait, heck, you have to press.
They said the Kian is pure Lebanese. Sinabi nila guys, ano ko daw. Si Kian daw more Lebanese. Si Cheyenne mixed daw.
How am I Lebanese? You are Lebanese.
Ayan.
You too come in.
Pauwi na kami.
Mommy is Lebanese.
You're Lebanese.
So ito guys, ang palatandaan nyo, ito yung church. Pasok lang kayo dyan. Tapos diretso kayo sa street. Nawala kami last time eh. And magtanong na lang kayo dito.
Pay my water.
Yeah. Ni natin yung yung dating embassy natin ay may police. Paabda.
What the telephone? Police car beside is specialized for radars for the speed. You see the one on the top? And this is the radar. The University of Massachusetts. University of Sages, Mama. See the school Sages, and when you finish in Sages, you can move to the University Sages. Anybody can learn here.
Yan, dito na kami sa Ashrafiyeh. Entering Ashrafiyeh.
Can fit too much people before you?
Free to. But,
I see them, they left.
Ashrafiyya, guys. I love Ashrafiyya.
خلينا ميشو دق لك دقينا لك ما ردت. They are two in Lebanon. Maybe he's the first يعني.
I-meet namin yung pinsan ni Mr. guys kasi galing siya sa GCI sa Isneya. Bigay niya yung ID ni Shayan na pinagawa namin.
هلا.
Don't open. Ayun, kunin ni Mr. yung ano, ayun yung pinsan niya. Anak nitong Tere.
Agong fuego.
Latan siya. Ayun. Guys, andito kami. Hinihintay namin si Mr. Ayun. Hello!
Naku.
Tagal. Check it.
You think I made a big mistake? Wallah, nobody knows, yeah. Nobody. I don't trust anybody anymore. I don't trust them anymore.
Tapos na kami.
Okay, yeah. Hello, for Cheyenne, for the passports, finish. When they told you hand the... Aktar, so 11 years. 14 years of
Why you
marriage.
don't know even how many?
I don't know. You must be happy. I said 11 and 14. Yeah, I should say 30 off for a long time. I should say you should be happy. I make it less. Yani, I'm not yani, I'm not bored. You should be
regret
happy.
yan eh.
You should be happy. I regret. You should be happy.
Ano daw kami guys kasi ano, alam niyo yung kebab, sandwich, i-treat niya daw kami.
I don't want any hot sauce.
So kain tayo ng sandwich. Kebab sandwich. Hindi ako magluluto ngayon. Late na kasi mag 1 o'clock na. Kaya sige, sabi ko okay. Kita ko sa inyo ulit yung kebab ng paggawa nila ng kebab. Ay, ang bango-bango. So, dito na naman ako makulit. Ay, hindi pa sila nag-start. Nilalagyan nila ng ano yan, yung paste, hair paste at tomato tapos may chili siya.
الابعاد بلا حار
Balahan. Tapos nilagyan ng onion and then parsley. Kebab sandwich. Sarap.
هذيك الاكيان بلا حار.
Tapos nilagyan ng kamatis. Nilagyan nila ng suma. Yan yung suma nga nilalagay sa tabule. Tapos, ano yung nilagay? Salt and kamun.
يستووا منيح.
Yan na ilalagay mo. Lagay na yung corn.
اوكي كيف تسلك اياهم نبلش فيهم هيدي بلا حار.
Kain tayo guys. Sarap.
You know, can you try to cook this?
Okay.
What? wanted to see if she can cook this like sandwich.
Need to put fuel bak şuraya. İyi söyleyeyim onu.
Yummy? Maybe it's forbidden to vlog. Thank you.
Where's your daddy? Where's your daddy?
Kain tayo guys. Ito yung kebab sandwich.
It's healthier than McDonald's. It's cheaper. It's enough. Even our guests who came from America, they like it so much. Remember?
Andito kami sa Marina Bay, Dubai.
Either one is fixed.
Magpasbay tayo dito sa Nahar El Kalb guys. Ipakita ko yung isang historical nila dito.
See the Independence marble. The Independence marble. It's here. And when the last French soldier left Lebanon after World War II.
After World War
هذه 1946.
1946.
We finished
These two?
هذه
everything.
Okay.
it's still since then, you see. Yeah, but the marble it's clean. But here it's since
Who
1946.
put this one?
At that time they put it
The
to let
Haiduli.
all the people remember and without the French from here, and we liberated our country.
Okay. Ito guys, yung ano, what do you call this one?
Jesus the King.
Jesus the King. Ito yung tinatawag nilang, yung place na ito is historical place. So we will go there inside, Shuai. The bridge.
We cannot. I don't know. It's pounds. You see? Yeah, the pounds.
Okay. But the park, Shuai, and I just want to show them.
Is there a way to get up?
Itong bridge na ito, tinatawag nilang, what they call this one? The bridge? This is historical, right? This
Yeah.
bridge?
Hmm?
Made
And there was a river here. Nahar Kalb.
Nahar Kalb.
Nahar Kalb.
But,
It was cutting these two places, these two areas. So they made this bridge, old bridge, to connect them. And at that time, ما في the techniques of know how to connect, you know.
Oh, I know where we are.
Nililinis nila. Ay, yung damit ko. Ayan. Pasyal lang ba? Kita. Last time na-vlog ko na ito guys. Kaya lang ipasbay lang kami dito. Kita ko. Kasi madaanan namin. I cannot go there in the bridge. Alam nyo, pag sa Philippines na ito, maraming isda yan. Minsan yung iba namimingwit sila. Sa Philippines na ito guys, dami paliguan, alam nyo. Dito hindi rin sila naliligo sa ganyan eh.
That's dirty water.
I know, but in province or in our in Philippines, we used to swim in the river. Yeah. Yan na, let's go. Nagumadali si Mr. eh. Hello mga kapitbahay, andito na kami sa bahay, kararating lang namin. So, galing kami sa Philippine Embassy. And yun na nga, pumunta kami para ipa-renew yung passport ng mga bata. So, dinala ko lahat ng documents. Kaso, merong isa na, hindi, sabi ng, hindi ko kasi alam yung name niya. Sabi niya, yung nag-assist sa amin na, tatawagan daw ako if ever lang na kailangan nila ang photocopy ng passport ni Mr. Kasi hindi ko siya napapotocopy. And yun kasi ang sinabi sa akin noong pumunta kami last week, na ang kailangan lang is yung PSA report birth ng mga bata. And then yung marriage certificate namin, yung original dapat ang ipakita. So ganito siya, original ito. Bale, kinuha ko ito sa Pilipinas, pinasend ko ito noon pa, 2018, so may copy pa ako. So yan, pinakopy ko ng tagi-isa kasi para sure sa akin, ang ginawa ko tagdadalawa. And ano pa yung pinapotocopy ko, yun na nga guys, yung report birth ng mga bata, ayun, photocopy din siya, ng isa lang din. And then, yung passport ng mga bata, pinapotocopy ko. And then, yung passport ko. So, yun yung sinabi sa akin na kailangan. So, kanina, hiningan ng photocopy ng passport ni Mr. Kaso, wala kasi hindi naman namin alam na kailangan yun. So, sabi niya, in case lang daw na kailangan sa Pilipinas kasi, sabi ko, okay lang ba, ma'am, kung i-send namin bukas or yung photocopy. Sabi niya hindi kasi tawag nito, i-send daw nila ngayon kasi through guys, through online yung So yun, ganun po ba? So wag ka mag-alala, sabi niya, if in case, sabi niya na tatawagan ka namin. So yun, alam naman nila yung number ko guys. If ever na kailangan daw ng picture ay photocopy ng passport ni Mr. So, sana sabi niya ipag-pray mo na hindi nila mapansin. Sabi niya, sabi ko ma'am, nung pumunta kami dito, hindi kasi sinabi. Ang sabi lang is yung photocopy ng passport ko. Kaya, no, okay, it's okay, don't worry, sabi niya. Pero if in case lang daw na doon sa Pilipinas, baka tatanungin yung photocopy ng tatay. So, yun. And then, tinanong ko ulit guys, sabi ko, paano ma'am, di ba yung situation dito, kaya nga isa din na reason kung bakit ko ipa-renew ang mga passport ng mga bata, kasi nga din yung situation dito. Tinanong ko guys, 2 months daw ang renew. Ay, yung matapos yung passport nila, akala ko 1 month. So, sabi niya, ipag-pray natin na hindi aabot dito yung alam niyo na guys. So at last na tapos na. So $120 ang binayaran namin, 60 each. Ito yung resibo. Sabi niya wag mong walain ang mga passport at saka resibo, importante yan. Hindi mo makukuha yung passport pag sabi niya, pag mawala mo yan. Bait nila guys, sobra. Tapos binigyan nila, 'di ba, dinala ko ang mga bata, binigyan nila ng chocolate yung mga bata. Every visit pala may lalo pag mga bata, tawag dito, bibigyan nila ng chocolate. Tapos may area pa na mag-drawing ang mga bata. Ang ganda na doon sa natin, sa Philippine Embassy natin guys. At very sila, talagang i-guide ka nila. Wala akong masabi. And then, dahil si Kian, wala pa siyang signature. Ako yung nag-signature. Si Cheyenne, nag-signature na siya mismo sa passport niya. So, yun guys. Yun yung nangyari at nabunutan na ulit ako ng tinik kasi nga tapos na. Wala na akong And then, yun. Tapos sabi niya, pray natin na walang dito, sabi niya, para makuha nyo agad before nyo makuha yung passport nyo, sabi niya. At thank you ulit sa nag-sponsor sa amin sa mga passport ng mga bata, si ate from America. Thank you ulit ate. Sobrang saya ko kasi natapos din itong problema namin. And yun. What are you doing? What's that? Hi guys, andito kami sa labas. Kumakain sila ng sandwich. Hello! Nay, run out! Ano ba yan? Out guys! Kumakain sila ng sandwich. Ayan. Hello, mister.
يحيى
Hello, mister. Sorry.
Sure.
Nagkakape ako guys. Gamot ni mami.
25 minutes ago. They are making operations to liberate. How they know that she is there?